today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to apply to become a reseller on the kdboosthub platform and then make money by reselling the services that are active on the platform to your customers, and then a commission which you can later on redeem. So I've made some videos about the platform in the past, which I'll be leaving the link to in the video description. If you go ahead and then check them out, then have a better knowledge or understanding on how the platform runs. So without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead and show you how you can easily apply to become a reseller on the kdboosthub platform. So once you're on your dashboard over here, you will see this section which says become a reseller, create your own store, and then earn commissions, with the button over here which says apply now. So I want you to click on that apply now button. Then that is going to take us to the reseller application form, which is shown over here. Become a reseller, create your own store, and earn commissions. So we are going to be entering your store name. So for the store name, I'm going to be entering my name. You can use any kind of store name that you want. And then for the store description, I'm going to be using something simple, cheap data services or packages. And down, you can write any kind of good description about your store. Then once you are done with that, you go to the section over here which says store URL on Slack. So what this simply means is that it's just like a username for your store, so that you have a unique link to be able to share with your customers, and then they will easily know that what you are sharing with them belongs to you, and it is your unique store that they are going to use for their purchases. So for that, I'm going to be entering my rename as the store URL. So once you are done with that, I want you to click on submit application. So once you click on that, it is going to tell you that submitting. Then as you can see right here, application have been successfully submitted, and then pen it. So this is only going to take some few minutes to hours to get approved, and then once that is approved, I will get back and then show you how to proceed on with the rest of the things. So it has been like 6 minutes now since I've submitted my reseller application. Then our application have been successfully approved. Then as you can see on my reseller dashboard over here, I have made a total sales of 0 Ghana cedis, and then profits on 0, and then others 0, and then withdrawal per month also 0. So let me go ahead and then set up my store. Let me go to my store settings. And then from my store settings page, I'm going to be setting my profit margin over here. So you are going to be shown a live calculation at the bottom over here to see how much you will be earning according to your profit percentage that you are setting. So I'm going to be using let's say 10%. So with 10%, if a base price costs 10 Ghana cedis less, if a service on the platform is priced as 10 Ghana cedis, you will be given a reseller discount of 20% of that 10 Ghana cedis. So what that would be, you have to do the calculation yourself and then see how much will be deducted from the base price. And then if you go by the price preview one over here, that 10 Ghana cedis for the 20% discount, you're going to be getting minus 2 Ghana cedis out of that base price. So many we are going to be having 8 Ghana cedis left. And then with my 10% profit margin, we are going to be earning a profit of 80 pesos whenever I would make a sale of a service worth of 10 Ghana cedis on the platform rather. Then if you see that the profit margin that you set is not good for them, we can increase it. So let's say 50%. So with 50%, we earn a profit of 4 Ghana cedis, which is pretty much decent for a store. We'll have to decide on the a profit margin that you want to use so that the price won't scare away your customers. So I'm going to revert back to the 10% profit. Then once you are done with that, I want you to scroll down. And from here, you can, these fields are optional, but I will advise you to set them up, which is your support phone. You have to enter your support phone over here so that in case anything happens, your customers can be able to reach out to you and then make a complaint for you to also send to the customer support so that you'll be able to help you and the customers out easily. So once you are done setting that up, you can upload your store logo, which has a maximum limit. File limit or format device. I'm going to be selecting a logo for my store, which I'm going to be using this image right here. And then once you are done with that, I want you to click on Save Settings. So it takes a few seconds to save everything and then update your store. So as you can see, our store settings have been successfully updated. So let's go ahead and then preview our store by clicking on the View Store button over here, and then that is going to show us a preview of how our store looks like. So once you can see right here, we have the store name being my rename, the store description, and then the logo that we just uploaded right now. So and then if you go down below, you are going to see the number of services that are available, which is currently 6. And then if you scroll down, you are going to see all of them. And then if your customers want to order, they don't have to go through the processes of creating an account, finding them, and so on. Now I'll be making a separate video about how your customers can be able to order on the platform without any kind of hassle at all, so that you can share the video with them if they are not having an easy time from ordering on the platform or your store. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and then like the video if you find it helpful. And then also, if you face any kind of issues, make sure to write it down in the video comment section. I'll do my possible best to reply to each and every single one of them. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day. Peace.